Hey everyone, welcome to our tutorial on how to import OpenAI in Visual Studio Code. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, make sure Visual Studio Code is open on your computer. OpenAI provides powerful APIs for a variety of AI tasks. To use OpenAI in Visual Studio Code, you'll first need Python installed on your system. If you haven't installed Python yet, head over to the Python official website and download it. Once Python is set up, open Visual Studio Code. The first thing we need to do is create a Python-friendly environment. Click on the extensions icon on the sidebar or press Ctrl+Shift+X. Look for the Python extension by Microsoft and install it. This extension makes Python development in VS Code a breeze. Now, let's create a new Python file. Go to the top menu, click File, then New File, and save it with a .py extension. Next up, we'll install the OpenAI library. Open the integrated terminal in Visual Studio Code by going to the top menu, selecting Terminal, and then New Terminal. In the terminal, type pip install OpenAI and hit Enter. This command installs the OpenAI library in your Python environment. Once the installation is complete, you're ready to import OpenAI into your script. Simply add import OpenAI at the beginning of your file, and there you have it. You're now all set to start exploring the capabilities of OpenAI in your projects using Visual Studio Code. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Happy coding with OpenAI, and I'll catch you in the next video.